In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw money from your OKX wallet to your bank account. By following these steps, you will be able to successfully convert your cryptocurrency into cash using the platform's peer-to-peer trading feature. Begin by opening the OKX application on your device. Once the app is open, you will be greeted with the main dashboard displaying various options and features. Look for the P2P trading option, which is typically represented in the navigation menu. Tap on it to proceed to the next screen. After entering the P2P trading section, you will see various trading options. Focus on the sell option as you will be selling your cryptocurrency. Click on sell and then select USDT from the list of cryptocurrencies available for trading. This action will take you to a new screen where you can set your payment preferences. Next, you will need to choose your payment method. You can select from options such as GSash, Bank, or Maya. Choose the payment method that you prefer for receiving your funds. This selection will help you find buyers who are willing to pay through your chosen method. Once you've selected your payment method, take a moment to browse through the list of available buyers. It is crucial to choose a buyer with a high completion rate. Look for buyers who have a rating of 98% or higher and have completed many orders. This ensures a safer transaction and increases the likelihood of successfully receiving your payment. After identifying a suitable buyer, initiate the transaction. The buyer will send the agreed amount of money to your chosen payment method. Once you've confirmed that the funds have been received, you can release the USDT to the buyer. This step is essential as it completes the transaction and transfers the USD cryptocurrency of your wallet to the buyer's account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.